Right, hello! Back again after my last video. I've been building more of my base. This is the starter base. But I have built a nice speeder bike. And in the distance on that hill over there is the base I was flying around earlier. You can just about see it's something I've created around it to make it easier to get up there. I say easier, we'll find out in a minute what I mean. Right, jump into this, start her up. I do like it. This one I parked earlier. Side view. Oops. Uh-oh. Avoid. Yeah. Right. A bit precarious. Oh, I've ruined it now. Yes, I'm upside down, thank you. Will I roll? No. Okay. I'm nearly there. I'm right there anyway. Right. Get to use the anti-grav tool. Oh, I've already got on my hotbar already. No, that's repair. And again. Oh no, that antenna's weighing over. Extra power. There we go. He says, I shall now use this opportunity to colour in the bottom. There we go. Right, let's try put facing the other way. You can see in the background what I mean. There we go, right. Back in. We'll just gently drive up the front there. I should really put some landing gear on that. Right, over here is the elevator. Similar to, like you can see, you get that one in Akira when they go down to that complex. So, I've got platforms that raise up and down. That one goes up, mainly because I put it all together before putting them in, and it was just going to be awkward, because I think that block there connects it to the system, to the rail, and if I got rid of that, it would get rid of the entire platform, and I didn't want that. Lower that down. Now, there's a good reason why I've got these side panels, as well as it looks cool because of health and safety. But if I leave it down, push that, it doesn't carry me with it. It slides. Send it back down. Also, as you can see, it moves very slowly. Bring that up. Click to get rid of those. So of course if I get that going, it'll slide along and then just take me with it. A little bit of a bug, but this is early access, so I'm sure it'll get fixed at some point. Another little bug is it's mainly because this base is separate from the one at the top of the hill, because once you reach a certain distance it doesn't seem to let you build around it, or at least consider you within range for building on that. So I had to start a fresh one, but it now means that while I can move on here and then move on this, as I power it down, it just goes through. Oh, I've lost it. I shouldn't have gotten... Oh, I think I've gotten myself stuck. Yes, I have. Now what I'll do... There's the hover bike. Right. If I get this going, I can then recover the bike. Yeah, a few issues. Right, we'll leave things there, and I'll fly up to the base. Oh, of course. That explains that. Repairing on the go. Oh, look at that. Is that all the way there? Yeah. Oh, messed this up, didn't I? Whoops. Right. Oh, that's going to take a while. Fly up into the top of the base and at least just sort of see what changes I made before. Back to normal walking. Now that will eventually get all the way up here. I made this by using a pivot block, tilted it to about 55 degrees, attached a rail system to it, and then that whole section has another pivot block which is 90 degrees with, well, whatever the other way is, to I think 135 degrees I set it to, so it ends up being pretty much level with this part when it reaches. Let's head inside. Slight, I think it's crenellations, I can't remember, along the top of the wall, a bit castle-like. This is where I've been playing around with lifts a bit more. It's a nice little waiting area. I sit down. Oh look, you get to see the platform arriving. Oh, in about 10 minutes time. Right, let's head back down. One of the neat things is all these mechanisms have control panels attached to them. I've hidden the one for this one in there. If we go here, I've created a control panel. So you can see the controls. This controls the lighting, both down here and upstairs. Mute it. There we go. Turns everything down. We're about there. That controls the lift, and I can't remember what that controls. Doesn't matter. Oh, it still works. I have to do some creative rails because they still don't attach to. You can see the symbols on the surface and the angles with it here, so you think you'd be able to build along the edge, but it doesn't seem to be enabled at the moment. Move across the spaceship. I have set up a shipyard system block here, which just lets me define this entire area. There we go. Oh, get it away. And yeah, so here's the spaceship I was flying around before. The shipyard system allows auto docking, so that's quite cool. But yeah, so there's where it started off with. I have built a turret, actually. We'll go play with that. There's something I want to try, which So again, once this arrives, you can reach over, push that button, and cause that to lift up. So if somebody's sent it up from below, you can at least open it. The same with that one, you can reach over the railing. Yeah. What's that one? Oh yeah, that's the thing. So I have got here, if I turn my light on, that is a turret control thing, that controls that up there. That's just links to that, so it allows me to use my trigger, my mouse button as to fire the lasers. If I go into it, I've got a camera attached to it, so it lets me see. And I can just shoot things, so let's target that. It fires for a second and a half with a recharge of 3 seconds. Am I out of range? Don't know, let's try and get the light. I think I'm hitting it. I exported it so I could spawn it again. That does have auto tracking for enemy AI, so I might actually oops, wrong one. Get it going. So again, I don't think anyone wants to wait for what would probably be a couple of minutes for that to sink down. So if I switch to flying mode, head on down there. Actually, let's try something. I'll bring out a starter block. Now from here, I haven't tried this yet, I should be able to spawn in the, I called it the bronze locomotor. Yes, I seem to have a fixation for bronze. Why is it? Interesting. And that didn't target it. Oh, of course, yes, if I spawned in an AI, then it would have a character. Okay, right, so that's how that works. Guess it didn't survive. Right. Ooh, that's what's left of the previous one. I can switch to repair mode actually. Right. Let's try the other one. Where's he gone? Well, of all this messing around, the elevator's nearly back, but I don't know where that spaceship went. Hopefully he's not destroying the starter base. Oh well, but yeah. So that's what I've been up to today. Expanded on the base, built this neat little platform. Yeah. So with that, I'll bring this video to a close.